Hey guys, we're in the southwest end of the city. We're here for a baseball game, which is right past those houses. They're just doing a warm-up now. I've got a OneWheel with a full charge I need to fix. And it's raining just ever so slightly to make everything a little wet, but I'm heading out anyway. You know, I always say Calgary has some of the best trail systems, and here I am. I just found another one. Look at that. It's like from neighborhood right there to forest, just like that. You know you're serious about basketball when you put a court in your backyard. I would have gone with pool, but that was probably pretty shaky. Gotta love the OneWheel. It handles this stuff like a champ. And it is getting kind of wet, so I'm gonna head back and sit in my wet chair and watch the wet baseball game. You warm?
Yeah, I have 2 jackets and a blanket, and I drank my tea. I just about started yours, and I have the umbrella.
It's cold.
If you wouldn't
here.
have got back soon, I would have drank yours too.
It's cold and it's wet.
Yeah, it is. But she's having fun.
What? Must?
It's the last game of the season, and then there's playoffs. So I don't know
really?
what's next? Yeah.
What's wrong with that picture? It's summer. We should not be running high heat and seat warmers. It is so cold.
My nose is like red.
It's 11 degrees Celsius.
You can see your breath.
You can see your breath out there. Froze our butts off. But Amelia and team played hard. They played baseball. Good sports, Amelia. Good sports. Thumbs up on the sportsing. We're going to go home and continue the Get Warm program because we're seriously cold.
Is the heat on? Oh,
yeah.
I bet it is.
Yeah, switch the heat on in the house.
Do that right
Fireplace will be
on our nest.
Crazy.
Which is awesome.
That's it. That was a good wrap for a Thursday night. We'll see, actually, if we get home soon enough. I haven't had a chance to play Fortnite yet, guys. This is a tragedy.
I haven't either.
I've installed it on my Switch, but I haven't had time, so
Played on the PS4
maybe
before, but I'm horrible.
Maybe tomorrow we'll take a break and you and I can play.
Do you know what? I'm good at the strategy of hiding in the bushes and staying away from people. It's
I'm
not a
good
good way to
at
win.
I let other people do.
Yeah, you wouldn't make a good soldier if you just hid. That's not good soldiering, Tammy.
I just need good soldiers around me. I'm there cheering. Hey, hey, team.
See? This says video games are bad. They teach people how to hide in the bushes. By the way, that'll really help when the aliens come to take over the planet, Tam. So.
The kids say I'm going to live the longest because you'll take care of me.
Yeah.
They're like, Dad will take care of Mom.
I hope they're right. Of course, I'll take care of you.
I think I know.
Good game today, Amelia.
Thank you.
I see you bought yourself new earrings.
Yeah, look how big they are.
Happy with yourself?
Yeah.
Amelia's putting together a gift that she got for her friend for her birthday party. She's going... No, I won't. She's going motorbiking this weekend, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What's Mom doing? Tammy's working on a bulletin that she puts out. And I bet you I know what Ethan's doing. Before we go see Ethan, what are you doing? Hiding from bedtime?
Oh, I didn't want to be in the video.
Look, why not? It's like 10
I don't know,
o'clock.
because you were talking to Amy.
I'm talking to you too. This is Samantha. What are we doing this weekend? We got to play Fortnite. I was telling people they're great. I haven't played Fortnite. It's sitting on my Switch and I haven't even... Well, I signed in. I got to the login screen and then I thought I'd like to change my player's name, but I can't. I picked Miker TV. I was going to pick Nick TV, but that's gone and Miker's gone. So I'm Miker TV. Yeah. So we'll be out there. I'll be taking you out.
No
No?
way, no.
Oh, yeah.
He's going to be a noob.
You're a noob. Go to bed. What are you listening to?
My team.
Seriously? So, dude, Ethan's actually done school. He's not done school. He's got tests. So this is, I guess, in between studying. Yeah, so he's got a couple of tests left, final exams. School is done for him, though, so he doesn't have to go to regular classes. Now it's just a matter of him writing and finishing exams. And in between exams, he plays 2 video games at once. Fortnite on the PlayStation 4, and then while they're waiting to insert into the game, he plays a game on his Nintendo Switch. He's multitasking. He's learning about true multitasking. That'll really help him later in life. So I guess video games are helping him. I guess.
This is so true.
This is so true. Oh. Here. Oh, look who else is here. This is Melissa. She is up past her bedtime. Please tell me why you're up past your bedtime.
Because Ethan never tells us to go to bed.
She parked her face in a bad part of town, got graffiti. Hey, go to bed, and tomorrow we'll go on a skateboard ride, yeah?
Yeah.
Good night, sunshine. While I was downtown today, I popped into one of my favorite stores, which is Mountain Equipment Co-op. They have everything for outdoor activity, whether it's mountain climbing or biking or hiking or you name it. If it's outdoor stuff, they've got it. I needed some carabiners because remember a couple of days ago or a week ago, I told you I got a new wallet from these guys, Waterfield in the States. I love this thing, by the way. It's working really good. Holds my cards, holds a little bit of cash. My McDonald's coffee card, which is just about full, 1 coffee away. Anyways, this bad boy has a little carabiner clip. So I thought, wouldn't it be cool to get a carabiner so that I could attach it to the inside of my bag? Isn't that cool? Yeah. So I got that, and because I got Ethan one of these too, I got him a carabiner as well. So we are all set. Still loving this thing. All right, that's it for today. That's it for Thursday. We're going into the weekend. Hey, Melissa, come here.
Okay.
We're going into the weekend, and we're going to start celebrating Melissa's birthday month because coming up in a few weeks, it's her birthday. So we may as well start celebrating now, yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll go see a super special movie this weekend. Do you know which one I'm talking about?
Either The Incredibles or Jurassic World.
Can't tell you which one. Good night. Good night. Good night, people of the grid. You guys go to bed. Good night. Good night.